Up next in fourth place is the Earthpak Heavy Duty. This soft cooler is designed to accommodate all your outdoor chiller needs and last as long as your adventure does. Everything about this cooler screams quality, so let's talk about it, starting from its build quality. The exterior is quite tough, built of 500D TPU plastic that will not discolor, puncture, or be eroded by chemicals. Also, the base of the cooler was not neglected either. It is made to be abrasion resistant so that you can drop it on a harsh or rough surface without having to worry. On the inside, it is equipped with high-density MBR foam that is very good at insulation. With this, your drinks will stay chilled for 72 hours. While 72 hours might not be the longest in the soft cooler industry, it is still pretty decent for short hiking and camping trips. It also has an IPX8 leak-proof zipper for more insulation that keeps warm air from going inside and water from finding its way out. You are bound to like the overall design of this cooler. It has lots of features that make it easy to use. Things like a mesh pocket on the lid where you can store personal items like shades, phones, and other essentials. There's also a mole webbing on both sides of the cooler, which is a safer option for keys to hang on. And the set of D-rings at the base allows the cooler to fasten to your kayak or boat. What you will like the most about this cooler is the meshed, detachable inner tote where you put your drinks and ice in, making water draining easy. All you have to do is lift it and let the water drain into the cooler, which you can pour out later. Its pros are, it includes a padded detachable shoulder strap, it has a bottle opener, and it is affordable. However, it can only hold 20 cans. The Earthpak Heavy Duty is suitable for anyone looking for a soft cooler for a boat trip or other outdoor adventure. Still haven't found a soft cooler that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.